Hello, my dear student. Welcome to Russian Language Lab with Vita. Today, let's focus on writing the Russian cursive letter H. The name of the letter is H, but I will call the name of the sound H. So please watch carefully. This is the uppercase letter H. This is the lowercase letter H. This is our transcription. The uppercase letter H. The lowercase letter H. Let's write both of them together. Now please take a piece of paper and try writing the cursive letter H by yourself. Write in the comments if you enjoyed the video, and please also share the video with your friends who are learning Russian cursive. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye!